How to fix YouTube Shorts not showing. If you are having trouble with YouTube Shorts not showing up, the fix usually depends on whether you're missing them from the home page, a channel page, or can't see the creators too. So basically what you want to do is, first thing first, you could go ahead and fix this. Open up your app store and make sure that the YouTube app is updated to the latest version as well. After which you could also go ahead and what you need is just go to settings on your device and locate app from the list, and make sure to go ahead and locate YouTube and simply clear your cache as well. Once you've done that, what you could also do is next, in order to restore the shorts to your home page, you could search for hashtag search in the search bar and watch a few videos to tell the algorithm that you want to see them again. So for that, you have to open YouTube, and you just want to go to the home page and select the search button, and you want to go ahead and type in hashtag shorts, and this way you should be able to find as well. And at the very bottom right, at the very bottom left, you could also find the shorts icon. This is where you could go ahead and watch shorts as well. If you cannot find this icon, then you might have to do the first procedure and all that, and that's how you should be able to find YouTube Shorts not showing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.